just a little update on where I'm at on this. I guess worked on it for 2 or 3 days. Took out the steering column. Took off a bunch of trim on the top of the windows. Haven't done the bottom sill on the door yet. Took out the dash. Took off my Hurst 4-speed pistol shift. All the seats are out, interior's out, all the wiring, except for my dome light. I'll just have to pull that off real quick. Door panels are gone. Trim around the front and back windows are off. The trunk seal's gone. Took out all the tail lights, the gas, spring-loaded gas tank, the fill tube. Popped out all the plugs out of the trunk so far. And tail lights. Dash was a nightmare. Well, wasn't bad getting that off. The only problem I had was with my heater controls. I didn't quite have it all disconnected when I went to take the dash off. So there's the trunk lid. All the trim, wiring. Labeled every piece of trim. Every single bolt I took out. There's hundreds of little bags and bolts with good notes, so hopefully I'll be able to put this back together one day.